In this video, I'll show you how to change the font in Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Now select the cell, row, column, or group of cells where you want to change the font. You can click one cell, or you can click and drag to select multiple cells. If you want to change the font for a whole column, click the letter at the top of that column. If you want to change the font for a whole row, click the number on the left. Once your cells are selected, go to the toolbar at the top. Look for the font drop-down. This usually shows the current font name, such as Arial. Click the font drop-down. Now choose the font you want to use. Once you select a new font, the selected cells will update straight away. You can also change the font size using the number next to the font drop-down. Click the font size box, then choose a size, or type your own number. If you only want to change part of the text inside one cell, double-click the cell first, then highlight just the text you want to change. Now choose a new font from the toolbar. Only the highlighted text will change. If you want to change the font for the whole sheet, click the blank square in the top left corner between the row numbers and column letters. This selects the entire sheet. Then choose your font from the toolbar. And that's it. You've now changed the font in Google Sheets.